Let's make this regal lemon celebration cake, which, let's be honest, it is elegant. We're going to start by getting an unbelievable amount of lemon flavour into this cake. We take our lemon zest and our sugar and we massage it. And what you're doing is extracting the oils from the lemon zest, which ramps up the flavour. In the meantime, we melt our butter and then we're going to let it cool. We're going to sift our dry ingredients over the sugar. We pour eggs, milk and oil over the top, and then the secret ingredient, just a kiss of lemon extract. Once it's smooth and combined, we go in with that cooled melted butter. And we weigh the batter to make sure that we get even cake layers. And then into the oven to bake. While it bakes, we make a quick sugar syrup with lemon, water and sugar. And once it's boiled, we just take it off the heat to cool. And once they've baked, I mean, come on, look how good those sponges are. We soak the cakes with that syrup before chilling the cakes in the fridge. For the Swiss meringue, we go sugar, egg white, salt and vanilla. And we whisk it over simmering water. Once it reaches 65 degrees C, we whisk for 12 minutes. And once the bowl is cool to the touch, we add in the butter and keep whisking. Then, to knock out the air, we switch to the paddle attachment, mix on low for 5. And there's your lovely Swiss Meringue Buttercream. And to go with it, we've got a smooth lemon curd. The recipe's in my book, you should get it, it's really good. And now we need to decorate the cake, and we're going to use a ton of different piping nozzles. So we're going to start by leveling our cake layers, then we add some vanilla Swiss Meringue Buttercream around the outside, and we alternate that with layers of the lemon curd. We add our second sponge on top, and a thin layer of the buttercream in order to create a crumb coat. We put that in the fridge, we add our second layer of buttercream on top, and we smooth that out, we chill it again, ideally in the freezer, because then you can use a knife to trim off any rough edges. Get it relatively smooth, but don't panic too much, because we're going to cover this with piping. We're going to start with that ruffle tip nozzle to create this beautiful design. We cover up the edge of the ruffle with this 1M tip, which just creates a shell border. And then we use another shell piping tip, but just slightly smaller to create this banner. We're going to use a leaf tip in the center to create a square, and finally some more shells around the bottom of the cake. And you're left with this stunning, regal lemon celebration cake, which honestly, you're going to love. The flavors are unbelievable and the design is a showstopper.